Hello guys, welcome back to Shinti's channel. I'm back with another recipe. Today we're going to make a healthy strawberry yogurt shake. Now let's look at the things we need. 1 cup of fresh yogurt, 1 cup of pre-washed fresh strawberries, honey, a blender jar, a knife and a chopping board. Now let's get into making the shake. Take a strawberry and cut the head. Cut it into 4. Be careful while using a knife. I'll do the rest of the strawberries and I'll meet you. Hi guys, I'm back after chopping my strawberries. Take your blender jar and put your strawberries in. 2 spoons of yogurt. Now close the lid tight. Now I have the blender with me. Let's blend out. Now the strawberry is gone into a smooth paste. Now again pour some yogurt. Add as much ever honey you want. Close the lid tightly. Let's blend it again. Now the strawberry shake is ready. Delicious. Try it at home. See you in another video and another recipe.